Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
If you enjoy learning English in a fun and simple way, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to like the video because it really helps us and it makes Tom feel important. I am important.
Sure, Tom.
All right, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we're talking about something super useful. Good, better, and best.
These are called comparatives and superlatives.
Wait, don't run away. That sounds scary, but it's actually very easy.
Exactly. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand them,
You'll use them naturally in real conversations.
and maybe, just maybe, you'll stop saying very good forever.
Okay, that's a big promise.
Let's start simple. Tom, how was your lunch today?
It was good.
Just good?
Yeah, not amazing, not terrible, just good.
All right. Now imagine you had lunch yesterday too. Which one was nicer?
Today's lunch was better than yesterday's.
Perfect. You just used better correctly.
Oh, wow, I didn't even think about it.
That's the goal. Natural English.
So let me guess. Best is when something is number one.
Exactly. Like, what's the best meal you've ever had?
Oh, that's easy. My mom's cooking. Always the best.
Aw, that's sweet.
I'm serious, nothing beats it.
See? You're already using good, better, and best in real life.
Okay, so let's break it down for everyone watching.
Yes, step by step.
Good is the base word. It means something is nice or positive.
For example, this movie is good.
Then we have better. That's when we compare two things.
Like, this movie is better than the other one.
And finally, best. That's when something is number one in a group.
This is the best movie I've ever seen.
Simple, but powerful.
Tom, can we try a quick practice?
Let's do it.
Okay, I'll say a situation and you answer using good, better, or best.
I'm ready, I think.
You try a new restaurant. The food is nice.
What do you say? The food is good.
Great. Now you go again and it's nicer than before.
The food is better this time.
Perfect. Now it's the most amazing food you've ever had.
This is the best food ever.
See? Easy.
Wait, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why don't we say gooder or goodest?
Oh, no, not gooder.
But it sounds funny.
It does, but it's incorrect. Good is an irregular adjective.
Meaning it doesn't follow normal rules.
Exactly. Normally, we say small, smaller, smallest.
But good changes completely. Good, better, best.
Yes, you just have to remember it.
Okay, I'll try not to say gooder in public.
Please don't.
Anna, can we use these in real-life situations?
Of course. Let's talk about daily life.
Okay, morning routine.
Which is better, waking up early or waking up late?
Honestly, waking up late feels better.
I knew you'd say that.
But waking up early is probably better for health.
Exactly. See? You used better twice with different meanings.
Oh, yeah.
Now tell me, what's the best time to study English?
I think the best time is when you feel relaxed.
That's a really good answer.
Hey, I'm improving already.
Slowly, but yes.
Ouch.
Let's try shopping.
Ooh, I like this one.
You see two shirts. One is nice, the other is nicer.
The second shirt is better.
Good. Now imagine there are 10 shirts.
Okay,
One is your favorite.
that one is the best.
Exactly.
This is actually really useful,
It is. People use these words every day.
especially when complaining.
True.
Like, this phone is good, but that phone is better.
Or, this is the best phone on the market.
Classic.
Now let's add a little emotion.
Oh, this is where things get interesting.
Imagine you're talking to a friend.
Okay,
How was your vacation?
it was good.
Was it better than last year?
Yes, it was much better.
What was the best part?
The beach was the best part.
Perfect conversation.
Wait, I want to try one.
Go ahead.
Anna, who is a better cook, me or you?
That's a dangerous question.
Answer honestly.
I think I'm better.
I disagree.
Really?
Yes, I'm the best cook.
Wow, confidence level 100.
Hey, confidence is good.
But you're cooking?
Still improving.
Fair enough.
Can we talk about common phrases?
Yes, this is important.
I hear people say feel better all the time. Yes, for example, I hope you feel better. That means your condition improves?
Exactly.
What about you better do this?
That's interesting. It means strong advice or warning.
Like, you better study for the test.
Yes, or something bad might happen.
Oh, that sounds serious.
It can be.
And best wishes?
That's a very common phrase. It means you want good things for someone.
Like in messages?
Yes, best wishes for your exam.
That's nice.
Let's do a quick speaking practice.
All right, everyone, listen and repeat.
Say, this is good.
Your turn.
This is better.
Repeat.
This is the best.
One more time, a bit faster.
Good, better, best.
Nice. Keep practicing.
Tom, let's make it more real.
Okay,
Imagine two friends talking about movies.
I'll be one friend.
I'll be the other.
Let's go.
Hey, Tom, how was the movie?
It was good.
Was it better than the last one?
Yes, much better.
Is it the best movie this year?
Maybe not the best, but still really good.
That sounds natural.
Yeah, I'd actually say that.
That's the goal, real English.
Not textbook English.
Exactly.
I have another question.
I'm ready.
Can we say a little better or much better?
Yes, that's very important.
So, a little better means small improvement?
Yes, and much better means big improvement.
Example, today I feel much better.
Perfect.
Or, this coffee is a little better.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm starting to like this.
Of course you are.
It's better than I expected.
Nice one.
See what I did?
I'm proud of you, Tom.
Finally,
Let's continue with more real-life examples.
let's do travel.
Good idea.
This hotel is good,
But that hotel is better.
and this one is the best.
Easy and practical.
I can already imagine using this while booking a hotel,
Exactly. That's why this lesson is important.
because it's everywhere in daily English.
Yes.
Anna, I think we should challenge the viewers.
Oh, I like that.
Okay, guys, quick challenge.
We'll give you a situation.
And you answer using good, better, or best.
Ready?
Situation 1. You try a new cafe, you like it.
What do you say?
Think about it.
Good.
Situation 2. You compare two cafes.
One is nicer.
What do you say?
Better.
Situation 3. One cafe is your favorite of all.
What do you say?
Best.
Perfect.
That felt good.
Or should I say better?
No, that was the best.
Okay, now you're overusing it.
Maybe just a little.
Yes, and now we're going to make things even more fun and more useful.
I'm ready. What's next?
Let's go deeper into real conversations because that's where good, better, and best really shine.
Sounds exciting.
Imagine you're talking to your friend about your job.
Okay, serious topic.
Your friend asks, "How's your new job?"
I say, it's good.
Then your friend asks, "Is it better than your old job?"
I say, yes, it's much better. I feel happier.
And then asks, "What's the best thing about it?"
I say, the people are the best part.
That's a perfect, natural conversation.
Yeah, I could actually use that in real life.
That's the whole idea. Real English for real situations.
Anna, can we talk about something emotional?
Of course.
Like feelings.
Oh, this is important.
For example, someone is sad.
Yes.
You can say, I hope you feel better.
That's one of the most common and kind phrases in English.
It shows care.
Exactly. Now imagine they were very sick yesterday, but today they improved.
You can say, you look better today.
Perfect.
And if they fully recover?
You might say, "Now you look your best."
That sounds so positive.
It is.
English can be very warm sometimes.
Yes, especially with simple words used the right way.
Let's try a mini dialogue about health.
Good idea.
I'll start.
Go ahead.
Hey, Anna, you don't look well.
Yeah, I was sick yesterday.
Do you feel better now?
A little better, yes.
That's good. Get some rest.
Thank you. I'll try my best.
Oh, try my best.
Yes, that's another very common phrase.
It means you will give full effort.
Exactly.
Like, I will do my best.
Perfect.
I use that before exams.
And after exams?
I say, I tried my best.
Honest answer.
Always. Let's talk about learning English.
Oh yes, this is important for everyone watching.
Imagine a student says, my English is good.
That's a nice start.
Then, after some practice, my English is getting better.
That shows progress.
And one day, my English is the best it has ever been.
That's a great feeling.
It really is. Anna, can we give them more phrases?
Yes, let's give a big list.
All right, listen carefully, everyone.
And repeat if you can.
Good job.
Better luck next time.
Best of luck.
Do your best.
I feel better.
This is getting better.
You deserve the best.
That was your best performance.
These are super useful.
And very common in daily conversations.
I hear best of luck all the time.
Yes, especially before exams or interviews.
Let's practice one together.
Okay.
I have a job interview tomorrow.
Best of luck.
Simple and natural.
Exactly.
Now I want to talk about something funny.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Food again.
Of course.
Imagine 3 pizzas.
Okay, I'm listening.
1 pizza is good.
Not bad.
1 pizza is better.
More cheese, maybe?
Definitely more cheese.
Good choice.
And 1 pizza is the best.
What's special about it?
Extra cheese, extra toppings, and it's free.
Of course it's the best.
Free food is always the best.
I agree.
See? These words make conversations fun.
Yes, and very expressive.
Now let's move to a short story.
Oh, I like stories.
Me too. It helps remember things.
Go ahead, Tom.
Okay. Once there were 2 friends, Jake and Leo.
All right.
1 pizza is good.
Not bad.
1 pizza is better.
More cheese, maybe?
Definitely more cheese.
Good choice.
And 1 pizza is the best.
What's special about it?
Extra cheese, extra toppings, and it's free.
Of course it's the best.
Free food is always the best.
I agree.
See? These words make conversations fun.
Yes, and very expressive.
Now let's move to a short story.
Oh, I like stories.
Me too. It helps remember things.
Go ahead, Tom.
Okay. Once there were 2 friends, Jake and Leo.
All right.
They both wanted to buy a phone.
Classic situation.
Jake said, this phone is good.
Simple.
Leo said, but this one is better.
Comparison.
Then they found another phone.
Let me guess.
Yes, Jake said, this is the best phone.
Of course.
But then they checked the price.
Uh-oh.
It was too expensive.
So what happened?
They went back and bought the better phone.
Not the best, but still good.
Exactly. Sometimes better is enough.
That's actually a nice life lesson.
I didn't expect that.
Me neither.
Okay, Anna, let's do some quick Q&A with viewers.
Yes, let's test them.
Question 1. If something is okay, not amazing, what do you say?
Think.
The answer? Good.
Question 2. If you compare 2 things and one is nicer.
Answer? Better.
Question 3. If something is number 1.
Answer? Best.
Easy, right?
Very easy.
Or should I say, very good?
No. Don't go back to that.
Okay.
Now let's do some speaking challenges.
Yes, this is important.
Repeat after us.
Today is a good day.
Your turn.
Tomorrow will be better.
Repeat.
The weekend will be the best.
Nice. That sounds very natural.
Keep practicing like this every day.
Anna, I think they're getting better already.
I think so too.
Soon, they'll be the best.
That's the goal.
Before we finish, let's quickly review.
Yes, quick summary.
Good equals nice, positive.
Better equals compare 2 things.
Best equals number one.
And remember, this is an irregular form.
No gooder, no goodest.
Please never.
Please.
Use these words in daily life.
Speak, practice, repeat.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Because mistakes help you get better.
And better practice makes you the best.
Wow, that was smooth.
Thank you.
Now, before we go,
We have a question for you.
yes, write in the comments.
What is the best thing about learning English for you?
It could be travel, friends, movies, or something else.
We really want to read your answers.
And we might reply to you.
Also, try to use good, better, or best in your comment.
Practice makes perfect.
Or at least better.
Nice.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like the video
share it with your friends.
and subscribe to English with Tom and Anna,
We'll be back with more fun lessons
helping you speak better English every day.
and become your best version.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye.